What's up, everyone? This is Seth with the Landing Page Dudes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to optimize your product page. I'm going to begin with a store that I found online that is experiencing poor conversion rates. Now, the way I do this is I go to Reddit, and there's a forum called Review My Shopify. And from there, you can find hundreds of different stores that post every single day looking for user feedback on why their stores are not converting. Now, I should warn you, majority of the commenters do not know what they're talking about, and that's why I like to make these videos. You know, some people are saying, hey dude, your store looks good, it just needs more clear images, and yada yada. So, long story short, this is someone that posted, they have a store called Shop Halo Fans, and this is the product page here. Now, as you can tell, it's super simple, there's nothing impressive about it, and it looks like any typical Shopify product page. Now, when we take a closer look at mobile, because that's where most of the traffic is going to come from, you can now see how it looks. On first glance, you'll notice the real estate is not being optimized. The free shipping site-wide announcement bar in the menu take up about 20% of that first fold, and you don't really get to see what's happening below. As you scroll, again, it's super simple, nothing impressive, and out of the 10, I would probably give this product page a 2. But do not worry, I'm going to show you what we've done to make it look much better. So here on the left, you see the page that we just saw right now. And then here on the right is what we quickly designed to show you how to optimize that product page. And I'm going to go step by step and show you what we've added to make it more optimized, more mobile friendly, and of course, how you can not only increase your conversion rates, but also your average order value. So as you can see on the left, the way they've optimized the page, or the lack of, is that menu bar and that site-wide announcement bar take up too much space. What we've done is we've created a site-wide announcement bar, which is going to be scrolling. That way you can fit as many USPs as you want on that scrolling text bar without having it to be fat and jittery. The next thing we did is we did a mobile optimized menu. We wanted it to be clean, almost like an app, and we think that the logo should be on one single line so that we can save space. Remember, it's super important that you take control of that first fold. Next, we have the discount badge. This helps with conversion rates. It instantly knows people that they're getting a discount, and it's so simple to add. And the good thing about this is when you implement this into your Shopify store, you can easily add it to any product that you want. Next is the user-friendly mobile image carousel. Now, customers are on apps like TikTok, on Instagram, so it's intuitive and it makes sense that they have to swipe to see more. That's why we have one image here, and then we have another image to the right, showcasing that, hey, to see the next image, just swipe to the right. And as you can see the difference from when you start from this page and here, we have all this tucked in, and we're about 40% less space than what you see on the original page. Underneath that, we have the augmented reality feature. So Shopify allows you to upload certain formats where customers can see this product in their real life environment. I think this product is actually a perfect example of what an AR product should be. Shopify has reported that users that interact with your AR product are about 70% more likely to add it to the cart. So it's for only a couple $100, you can get this product built in AR, add it to your Shopify store, and when users are on mobile and they click on view in AR, they're able to see it in their live environment, should it be in their bedroom, in their desk, and it really helps sell the product. Next, we have the clear social proof. As you can see here, that social proof is kind of buried, all the colors are the same. It really doesn't stand out. After that, we are creating more of a visual hierarchy where we're leading the eye to where we want it. We have a clear title. We have the before and after pricing, which they also have, but we wanted to make it bigger, bolder. And then we have these badges that are showing how much you save. Having it say sale is not enough. Showing, hey, you're saving $30 and this is a final sale. That's going to build urgency. It's going to build scarcity. And by showing them the actual amount they're saving, it's going to make them feel like, wow, I should really get this product. After that, we have the strong benefits in USPs. We're using icons because they're digestible, and we're using short text. We want to, show off the best selling points of this product, And then we have this view more functionality, because the idea is you never want to force people into reading too much text. It's important you add this to your product page so that users who do want to explore more about the product can click on view more, and what will happen is it'll drop down and you'll have more points and more benefits. Underneath that, we have the visual selectors. Visual selectors are shown to increase conversion rates. Here you can see we have pills that are AU plug, UK plug, EU, and US. Here we have icons, and they're simple, they're visual, and they're much more easier to understand. And the cool thing about it is that when you select one of these plugs, this text will dynamically change, so it reinforces the product that you're getting. Underneath that, we have when the product is being delivered. If you watched my last video, you'll know that one of the top things why users do not check out, go to the cart, is because they don't understand the delivery time. We're in an era where people are shopping on platforms like Amazon, where they know they're going to be getting it in 2 to 3 days. And a lot of shoppers have made mistakes in the past, or they've purchased from drop shipping stores and it took 4 or 5 weeks. So being able to articulate when the product will arrive and be transparent is going to lead to higher conversion rates. Underneath that, we have a green call to action, because again, we want your eye to go there. Here, their add to cart is using a stroke outline, and again, it doesn't grab your eye. Beside that, we're saving space. Instead of having the quantity there, we're having the green call to action take up 75%, and then that quantity box to take up 25%. Below, in big, bold, clear writing, we're saying free shipping, 30-day money back, and free returns. And you could see that here, but again, it's lost in this mountain of text. It's too much. And then finally, underneath, what we've done is we've added this AOV chart. And this is something you see on multiple product pages that we work on. It's super simple to implement. It's dynamic through the CMS, and it will increase your AOV. Here we're showing if you buy more, you will save more. If you buy 1 fan, you save $25. If you buy 2 fans, you save $35. 3 fans, $55. And again, we're always building urgency and scarcity by saying it's a limited time offer. So here is the before and after. If you want this Figma file, it's going to be in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please let us know. And thank you for all of your support.